Allah, who is the master of life and master of death. Today, my topic is, what did our country give to us? And what did we give to our country? First, I talk about what did our country give to us. Our country gave us freedom. Whenever we go anywhere without any fear. Our country gave us peaceful. We leave our home with peaceful. Our country gave us homeland. We follow our religion's rules without any fear. But how? How we achieve this beautiful country? With struggle, with hard working, with sacrifice of many people. That time we achieved this beautiful country. But you know, what did we give to our country? Just blame on people. Just fight with people. Just waste our time. We not love our country. We not develop our country. We not study. Are you remember Qaid-e-Azam said, when this country is your home, whenever you are fight with people, then you spoil yourself. So my dear fellow, don't be divided in sects, nations, castes. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, come on. It shouldn't be stopped. Come on, continue, keep going. Shut up.